sparkling red, white, and blue sangria. The white wine allows the eye-catching red and blue colors from the fresh berries to shine through. In a large, clear pitcher, combine the wine, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and white grape juice. Refrigerate for up to 4 hours to let the flavors blend. When it's party time, slowly stir in the champagne or sparkling white wine and the Germain liqueur. We've updated the traditional red wine-based sangria with white wine and Germain liqueur, a bright-tasting liqueur made from elderflowers. If too sweet sangria isn't your thing, you'll love this patriotic drink recipe. Dry white wine, we suggest your favorite sauvignon blanc or chardonnay. Keeps this light and bright. You could also use an Albarino, a dry Spanish wine, or a dry Riesling. To make a patriotic garnish, use a 1-inch star cookie cutter to cut star shapes out of thick slices of apple. Thirsting for a fun, flavorful drink for your upcoming patriotic party? Mix up this sparkling red, white, and blue sangria, and you'll want to serve this festive fruity beverage all summer long. Pour sangria into glasses, making sure a mixture of berries gets into each glass. And serve.